Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power x multiplied by 8 to the power x. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here. This exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have 8 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 72. Now the next step here, we'll have here 8 x plus x. This is 2x. This is equal to 72. The next step here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. That is log 8 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 72. Log 8 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log m to the power n, which we can express as n log m. So applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 8 to the power 2x becomes 2x log 8. This is equal to log 72. Let's divide both sides by log 8. Log 8. So let's simplify here, so that now 2x is equal to log 72 divided by log 8. We can express 72 basically as 9 times 8. So substituting this, we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 9 times 8 divided by log 8. The next step from here, log 9 times 8, this is in the form of log a times b, and this is equal to log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then we have, now applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have 2x. This is equal to log 9 divided by log 8 plus log 8 divided by log 8. In this case, log 8 simplifies, so here we have 1. Now here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 9 divided by log 8. The next step here, we can express 9 as 3 to the power 2, and we can express 8 as basically 2 to the power 3. So substituting this, we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 3 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Applying the power rule property here, we'll have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 3 to the power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2. The next step here, log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then here we'll have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus, now this is 2 over 3 log 3 to base 2. Let's divide both sides here by 2, so that now here we'll have x equal to, this is 1 over 2 plus, now here we have 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 log 3 to base 2. So let's simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 1, so that now the value of x here is equal to half plus, this is 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that this value of x, which is equal to half plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we entered 8 to the power x multiplied by 8 to the power x. This should give us a value of 72. And given that 8 to the power x times 8 to the power x, this is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which you can express as a to the power n plus m. Then here, this is the same thing as 8 to the power x plus x, and this should give us a value of 72. So this follows that here we have 8 to the power 2x. This should give us a value of 72. Let's check if this is true. Let's substitute the value of x here. We'll have 8 to the power 2 multiplied by x, which is equal to half, plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 72. So we can express 8 as basically 2 to the power 3. So let's substitute this. We'll have 2 to the power 3 times this 2 here. Into the parentheses, we'll have half plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. Now this should give us a value of 72. Now let's simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 1. So here we'll have 2 to the power 3 plus, now here 3 and 3 simplifies. So here we'll have 2 log 3 to base 2. This should give us a value of 72. The next step here, 2 to the power 3 plus 2 log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, and this can be expressed as a to the power n times a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 log 3 to base 2, and this should give us a value of 72. The next step here, we can express 2 to the power 3 as equal to 8. 2 to the power 3 is the same thing as 8. So here we have 8 multiplied by, we can express 2 to the power 2 log 3 to base 2 as 2 to the power log. This is 3 squared to base 2. This should give us a value of 72. The next step here, you find that 2 to the power log 3 squared to base 2. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, and this should give us a value of a. Therefore, 2 to the power log 3 to the power 2 to base 2, this is the same thing as 3 to the power 2. And 3 to the power 2, this is the same thing as 9. So let's substitute this 9 here. So here we'll have 8 times 9. This should give us a value of 72. So here we have that 8 times 9, this is equal to 72, which is equal to 72. So that implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this affirms that the value of x, which is half plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. Subscribe, my good people. See you in the next video. Bye bye.